Competitive analysis is an essential aspect of any business strategy, and Amazon is no exception. Conducting a competitive analysis on Amazon can help businesses gain insights into their competitors' strengths and weaknesses, as well as identify opportunities to differentiate themselves from the competition. Now Shulex VOC provide competitive analysis on Amazon. By comparing a SIN, BER or brands, businesses can gain a better understanding of their competitors and identify where they can stand out in the market. How it works? Let's start. There are two ways to get competitive analysis. First, click an existed collection. You will see the competitive analysis part at the end of the page with the recommended comparison products. You can directly click on the comparison combinations to analyze, or if you are not interested in these comparison combinations, you can click on the plus sign to enter the comparison report page and independently add the products or collections you want to compare. Another way is through the competition analysis in the dashboard. Enter the competitive analysis page. A product or collection will be displayed by default. Click close to reselect the comparison product or collection. Competitive analysis mainly include customer profile, customer experience, buyer's motivation, customer scenarios, topic analysis, etc. Analyze the usage scenarios of products through customer profiles, understand the positioning differences between products in the market, and then make targeted marketing strategies. Compare and analyze product strengths and weaknesses to quickly understand which aspects are better or worse than competing products, and provide direction for product improvement. By analyzing the buyer's motivation of competitors, you can develop your own product differentiation strategy. What are you waiting for? Start your Shulex journey now.